2008 Sprinter, 37 foot, with the front bedroom, king bed, this big closet, more storage, closed shower, sink outside, patio door, swivel rocker, hide-a-bed sofa with storage above, entertainment center, another swivel rocker. That's a nice counter space and cabinets, double sink, oven, residential refrigerator, freezer, freestanding dinette, 3 slide outs,